Hello friends, in today's video we will see two things. At first, how to make a real market moss stick at home, and second thing, how to make a beautiful topiary of a money plant, and at last how to decor it to look beautiful. And most important, let me tell you, this is zero budget work. So welcome back to our gardening channel, Gardening with Mom's English version. So let's start the video. At first, I took a jute sack. It is easily available at all places. If you do not have it, then you can get it from the grocery store. There are many of them available. It is double layer, so you have to make it a single layer. At first, you will cut it with the help of a cutter, with the help of any scissor. It gets cut very easily. After cutting, I will also show you the next step. After that, what you have to do, how to do it, you will remain it till the end. This is thing that I have told you. I have made it looks very beautiful. Look at it. It has become a single layer. After this, you have to take it if you have any plant of this type. I have used this branch of bougainvillea. Do you have any plant whose branches are little longer? Or if you do not want to cut your plant, then you can take any wire in its place which can be folded. So I have used a branch here because in this video I will show you that I have made it using only household item. After this you have to remove all its leaf and flowers because there is no need for it. In this work I have cut two branches from my bougainvillea plant, and then in what way did I cut both the branches? If you look ahead you will see that. First of all, we have taken out all the leaves. After that, I cut two branches as I told, and I have attached both of them together by sellotape. If you are going to use a wire instead of this branch, then confirm your size of sphere of the pot. Here I have also cut the jute sack in half, otherwise it will not become a moss stick but a fat stick. And after this we have to fill it with compost and some soil, and in this way I have made a little mixture of both. In this way the ratio of soil is a little less because soil is more in weight. That's why I have kept less soil so that it remains lightweight. I have put this mixture here in this manner. You can also put in the same manner if you are taking wire instead of the branch. Then put it on top of it in this manner. Recently this is not looking straight, but no worries. When the final result will be there, then you will see. Now it has to be folded slowly in this way so that the soil does not come out, and it has to be made well so that the soil is from the bottom. Should not fall anymore and should not come out. You have to tighten it and fold it in this manner so that the moss stick does not spray. Too thick moss stick does not look good. Just like the market moss stick is made, similarly we make it. If you are trying to do this, then this process is very important, that you hold it tightly and fold it properly. After that you have to take any needle, then you can use it, otherwise it is not necessary. If you have this, then stitch it well here, and after wrapping the same rope you have to move ahead and slowly keep folding it in the same way. If you have the sack rope, then you can also use this. It will look much better than this rope. Friends, making moss stick at home is very easy. You should also try it if you have sacks, some compost, soil, or even if you do not have it, you can directly fill kitchen waste inside it. The kitchen waste will automatically turn into compost inside, and your moss stick will also be made. See, this moss stick is almost ready here. Look, one thing here is that there is a branch at the bottom. I have kept it empty because it will go inside the soil. Here I have taken a rectangle shaped pot. You can take any pot. You can take any pot of any shape, just it should be a little spread. Then it will be look good. If we will talk about potting mix in it, I have not made any special type of potting mix. That's why I haven't told you and showed you as you are. In whatever you let's make potting mix, you can make potting mix in that way. So friends, now both the things are ready, so we have to plant it in this way. See how good it looks, and when we will decorate it further, then there will be more, it is going to be look beautiful. So in this way I am going to plant some money plants in it. I have taken two branches of money plants. I will plant the money plants from both the sides, and when they grow they will look even better. But for now it also looks very beautiful. See this, I have removed the lower leaves and attached them in this manner. And I will also attach this money plant to the moss stick with the help of a rope, so that this money plant remains attached to the moss stick. Do not move here and there. To support the moss stick at one or two places, I have placed some dry sticks on both the sides to keep it stable. To cover the soil, I used some coleus cuttings of different varieties to look colorful and to look beautiful and to look attractive. And friends, this is the final look. If you have coleus, then plant coleus. If you have purple heart, then plant purple heart. If you have money plant, then you can also cover the soil from the money plant. If you gonna with wandering Jew, then you can use also wandering Jew. If you want to cover the soil with the pebbles, means colorful stones, then you can go through this also. When this money plant grows bigger, it will look even better. But for now, this is what I made today. It is looking very beautiful. After some days, I will also share the update video of this topiary plant. And at the last, most important thing is how to water it. Do not water it with the force. Try to water it from the spray, like this way. And do not forget to water the moss stick. Whenever you water, definitely water the moss stick so that your money plant grows at its speed. If you only water in the soil, then maybe your money plant may grow a little slowly. But if you water it in the moss stick, it will get a lot of nutrition from there too, so it will grow quickly. So friends, that's it for today's video. There is any problem related to the plant, please tell me through the comment section. You can contact me. I reply to the every comment, and also tell me how you like this video. Friends, if you want to do good gardening in low budget or want to do organic gardening, then definitely join our channel. For that you can click on the subscribe button and please press the all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, happy gardening.